Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice math problem, which is 1 over 216 raised to the power of 2x. This is equal to x. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. So we have 1 over 216 raised to the power of 2x. This is equal to x. Now we can express 216. Now let's get the LCM of this. So 216 divided by 2, this is the same thing as 108. Then 108 divided by 2, this is the same thing as 54. Then we have 54 divided by 2, this is 27. Then we have 27 divided by 3, this is 9. Then 9 divided by 3, this is 3. And we have that 3 divided by 3, this is 1. So this implies that we can express 216. This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 3, which we can express as 2 times 3 raised to the power of 3. And this is equal to 6 to the power of 3. So let's substitute 216 with 6 to the power of 3. So now we have 1 over 6 to the power of 3. Then raised to the power of 2x, this is equal to x. The next step is that 1 over 6 to the power of 3, this is in the form of 1 over a to the power of n, and this can be expressed as 1 over, now we can express this as a to the power of minus n. Now let's apply this property so that now here we have 6 to the power of minus 3, then raised to the power of 2x. This is equal to x. Now, 6 to the power of minus 3 to the power of 2x. This is again in the form of a to the power of n raised to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n multiplied by m. Applying this exponent property, then we have 6 to the power of minus 3 times 2x. This is minus 6x. This is equal to x. Now the next step is that let's multiply both signs. Let's multiply both signs by minus 1 over x here. This is equal to x raised to the power of minus 1 over x. Now we have that minus 6x multiplied by minus 1 over x. This implies that x and x here will simplify, and then minus 6 times minus 1, this is equal to 6. Okay, so we simplify x and x here. Minus 6 times minus 1, this becomes 6 to the power of 6. This is equal to x to the power of minus 1 over x. Now here we have x to the power of minus 1 over x. We can express minus 1 over x. This is the same thing as minus 1 times 1 over x. So now here we have x to the power of minus 1 times 1 over x. This is equal to 6 to the power of 6. Now we have that x to the power of minus 1 times 1 over x. This is in the form of a to the power of n multiplied by m, and this can be expressed as a to the power of n raised to the power of m. So this means here we have x to the power of minus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x. This is equal to 6 to the power of 6. Now the next step is that x to the power of minus 1, this is in the form of a to the power of minus n, which we can express as 1 over a to the power of n. So this means here we have 1 over x. X is raised to the power of 1. So this is raised to the power of 1 over x. Then this is equal to 6 to the power of 6. Now we have that a to the power of a, this is equal to b to the power of b. Then this means that here this means that a is equal to b. This means that the base is equal to the base on the other side. So that means that a is equal to b, and the exponent a is also equal to b. So we have the exponent a is also equal to b. This means that from what we have here, 1 over x, this is equal to 6. So to solve for x here, 6 is a whole number, so we can cross multiply from here so that we have x times 6. So this is 6x. This is equal to 1. So let's divide both signs by 6 so that now the value of x here is equal to 1 over 6. So this is the value of x. The next step from here is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. So let's verify. Now, if you recall, we end that 1 over 216 raised to the power of 2x. This should give us a value of x. Now, let's substitute the value of x into this equation here so that we have 1 over 216 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 1 over 6. This should give us a value of 1 over 6. So here, let's simplify. 6 divided by 2, this is 3. And this means we have 1 over 216 raised to the power of 1 over 3. This should give us a value of 1 over 6. Now, we can express 216. This is the same thing as 6 to the power of 3. So now we have 1 over 6 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 1 over 3. This should give us a value of 1 over 6. So this implies that we can express 1 over 6 to the power of 3 as 1 over 6 raised to the power of 3, then raised to the power of 1 over 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 1 over 6. So let's simplify here. We can simplify 3 and 3 here. And that means that 1 over 6, this is equal to 1 over 6. And this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this means that the value of x here, which is actually equal to 1 over 6, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and more importantly, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.